Hey folks, Mattio here, unboxing. CVV Ortis will be doing the unboxing. Alrighty. Hope you guys' holidays went well. I'm quite pleased that they are over with. Way too long. Blade show, bada boom. Oh, the Hinderer. Alrighty. Should in theory be the XM-18 3.5 inch. Knife, bunch of cool decals. Packing peanuts, obviously. Washers. Alright, looks like that's it. Hand assembled and tuned by Sean. Thanks, Sean. Alrighty. So, I've heard nothing but amazing reviews about Hinderer knives from none other than Metal Complex. Search him out on YouTube. He's got an amazing channel, lots of awesome reviews, information. Wow, so smooth. I mean, that almost popped open by itself. Just regular light switch flick. Wow. Let's try thumb stud. It pops right open. USA M390. Feels a little bit heavier, but oh wow, that just fits in the hand perfectly. Great choil, forward choil. Don't know what else you would expect from a high-end production knife. It's great. Oh, that just sounds amazing. All right, folks. I will have a fidget factor on this bad boy sometime in the future. I stopped saying near future because I've been so darn behind. It's been taking a long time. But, yeah, obviously great quality. Perfect centering. All right, folks. Keep an eye out. I'll have a fidget factor out soon. Bye. All right. That was a failure. Gotta try again. Oh, there we go. Much better. All right, folks. Have a good one.